Hey guys, welcome back to another video on DDI Fishing. Today we got a special video for you guys because today it's me, Dylan at the Mississippi River. It was a great day out there. I think Erickson caught 2 and Horner caught 1. All really big. I had a big one on, as you'll see in the video. But yeah, it's a great day out there. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Alright boys, first one on the Mississippi. First smallie. Nice, dude. Woo! Haven't caught a bass in a while, to be honest. Yeah, kind of loosen my drag up. Nice, dude. That guy smoked it. Oh, I got it. I can't even. I don't know. It looked like it was like 2 pounds or something. I don't know. I haven't got a good look. Yeah, we can weigh it. First one, might as well weigh it. Oh, that one's so pretty. Oh. Get it. I'm trying. Got him. Let's go. Oh, that's a tank. Let's go, baby. First one of the day. I hit it. I got a giant sucker minnow. That's a tanker right there. We'll weigh that one for you guys. That one is so pretty.
Many more to come.
Look at that. Nice, dude. Alright, guys, I'm gonna weigh this smallmouth. Hopefully, I can't even really tell how big it is. Let's see. 3.28 pounds. 3 1/4. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna get the release on this big one for you guys. Absolute tank. Woo. Look at how pretty he is. There he goes. Swam off good.
I got one. Oh, it's just a little dink. Oh, got a nice one on right now. Woo, it's big. I got it. It's big. Oh my god, dude, this is big. Oh, we're just barely hooked. Oh my, this is a big one.
Dylan's wearing his fish. Second one of the day. I still have nothing, but I'm still gonna keep grinding. It's a lot darker than Dylan Horner's first one. Oh. 2.66 or 2.6. Not as fat as Dylan Horner's over here, but I'm fresh. There he goes. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that sweet and quick video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those fish catches by both Dylans. Before this video ends, I'm going to show you guys what we're using and what's the best way to get the slow bass in the winter in the river, how to get them to bite your hook and get some big smallmouth on the river. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so what I'm using for the baits and like the loadout, got a pretty short rod. Doesn't really matter too much about that kind of stuff, but we got a leader here. I think it's about 20-25 inches, but the most important part is that you have a leader with fluorocarbon and monofilament, doesn't matter. A little leader here, right here, if you can see that, and then a little egg, whatever you want, this little thing, just a bull weight, whatever you need to have. That just lets it, when the fish, it's in it, or the hook's in it, the fish's mouth, the weight slides up and it can't feel it, swims away, and you set the hook and they got it. I don't really like using live bait, obviously, because it's like using artificial, but the only way to get the smallmouth to bite really well is use live bait. So we got a nice little hook right here, live bait hook. So yeah, you just rigged it up there. I mean, anywhere, probably any river, especially if you're up north. You want to use this stuff for smallmouth, even like probably other species like trout or whatever's in your rivers or pond or lakes, whatever. There's warm water there too, so that the smallmouth will gather up, which is a really good spot, so I highly recommend it. It's over in Monticello, Minnesota, all the way in the Mississippi River, so you want to go all the way towards the end of the river where there's a warm water power plant. So that's where we were fishing. We didn't actually go all the way down there because we just parked. It's really cold out there. That's partly because it wasn't a great day, but so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video on DDI Fishing. Hopefully those tips helped you, and alright, and we'll catch you guys in the episode.